Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be going over the Ramp corporate card. That's right, Ramp, the corporate credit card. We're going to be going over a background of Ramp, who Ramp is, what they offer, and what the requirements are to get approved for the Ramp corporate card. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Before I do, please just hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and consider hitting the like button as well. All right. So let's get right into it. This is a slideshow that I made, and we'll jump over their website momentarily. So Ramp, it's more than just a corporate card. Ramp's spending made smarter. Ramp is a corporate card powered by Visa network. Unlike credit cards require you to pay your monthly balance in full by each statement period. There's no ability to carry balances, and therefore Ramp does not charge interest. Okay, so Ramp has a few different programs, not just the corporate card, but they have what's called Ramp Flex, which is like basically a net 60 to a net 90 where you can carry a balance. Manage all your expenses from one place. So Ramp basically is like an expense management platform for businesses. You can basically automate everything and issue cards to all your employees. Okay. You can issue virtual cards and physical cards at no additional cost. Basically, your limits will be 10 to 20 times higher than typical limits that you get approved for a business credit card. Okay. So these are just little details about Ramp, the merchant. You can do ACH, you can do wires, reimbursements, and as well as, like I said, the cards. So if you need to reimburse, you can reimburse. You can keep track of all your expenses. So at the end of the year, it's very easy to for your accountant to do all the work for your taxes, exactly what you spent. Let's see here. You also get rewards for different in the back end of Ramp. I have the card. I got approved for about 20,000 initially, but it does fluctuate depending on what you have in your business bank account. I'll go over the requirements here in a minute, but I'll tell you, there is a lot of good rewards on the back end that you get that are exclusive discounts just from being approved that will save you thousands of dollars that Ramp has negotiated for you. So you get 1.5% cash back on every purchase and up to 175,000 in partner rewards. I can attest to this because I got a couple good deals that saved me about $2,000 right away when I signed up. You have automated savings alerts, real-time visibility. I'm not going to go through all this because there's so much you can do with Ramp. It's so here you go. Will applying impact your personal credit? You can be rest assured that applying for Ramp will never affect your personal credit score. Get started with Ramp today, apply in seconds. So it is an OPG. It has nothing to do with your personal credit. So the standard Ramp, you get unlimited virtual cards, merchant category, vendor controls. So you can limit, like, say your employees, you only want them to be able to spend at gas. You can limit that, or hotels, or whatever. You can kind of limit that. You get unlimited auto receipt collection, matching, and generation, travel and expense policy enforcement, multi-currency. So it's not just US dollar, but multi-currency cash and mileage reimbursement, customized workflows for approval, accounting, transactions, and issue limits and create spend programs in non-US dollar. International card issuance is well available, but that's only for Ramp Enterprise, but it's there if you need it. Go through all that. So much of this you probably won't need, but it's there if you need it. Um, so these are kind of the requirements. I'll go over my personal details, what I know from being approved, and also have a back end agent over at Ramp. So that's why you want to use my link that will be in the description below when you apply, okay? Because you're going to go directly, your application is going to go directly to my back end rep at Ramp, okay? Must be registered in the USA, must be a US based entity in order to get approved. Now, Ramp is more conservative, so they only do business with those, or they only approve those that have at least 50,000 or close to 50,000. If you have like 49,000, maybe you can still get approved. But 50 to 75,000 is their ideal target client. Since they have no personal guarantee, you have to show that you have the capability to pay them. Okay, good for corporations, LLCs. If you're a sole proprietor, this isn't a good fit for you. But as long as you're S corp, C corp, or LLC, nonprofit, it could be a good fit for you. Okay, you guys know it will help you build your business credit. Definitely does that. Now, real quick, you're going to build up your Experian business credit profile. They report to the Small Business Financial Exchange, and you want to make sure you use my link. I've had Ramp on, one of their reps over at Ramp. I've had him on and done an interview in the past. You can check out that video if you want. But I want to use my link because you kind of skip the line and get directly to my rep over at Ramp, and you'll either get approved or denied, and they'll let you know why. Okay. So with that being said, that's all for this video. Please stay tuned for my future videos and my live streams. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.